What's going on, you guys? This is Bryant from Nerd Hobbies and Diecast coming at you with a new video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. You know, if you celebrate the holidays. This is my personal Christmas gift to myself. Another RC. We have the RC4WD Trailfinder 2 Toyota XtraCab. This is a ready to run 110 scale. Does come with bead-lock wheels. It is 4-wheel drive. Officially licensed by Toyota. Ready to run, of course, means it has the battery, the transmitter batteries. Basically everything you need is in this box to be able to drive it. This is going to be an unboxing video. Also, partially going to be a because I have my lighting kit from my Trick RC. I'll be installing too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so just going looking at the box. Beautiful box. You know, for this type of product, you know, something you would like Traxxas and all of that. They have these gorgeous boxes, heavily detailed, tells you everything that the features of the truck, like the scale, cast axles, a single speed transmission, KC light set, RC four-wheel drive bull bar in black. That's the bar in the front. Also, we have some optional things: tires, wheels, winch, suspension parts, some scale parts like the bed bars, lighting kits, different bodies, even some brakes, and other stuff. Again, scale parts. I hope to get one of these auto lifts one of these days. As of right now, not planning on doing too much other than the light kit. I'm not really planning on doing any other upgrades, at least right now, maybe later on. And on this box, it just tells you the features and what it comes with. I'll just leave a picture of this information because it's a lot to go over. But it just gives you a breakdown of where everything is, or what everything is, I should say. And on the other side of the box, just pictures, dimensions. I may even compare it with like probably something close to the size, maybe be by Toyota Tundra high lift from Tamiya. All right, so let's go ahead and get this box open. I bought this on Black Friday from RC4WD. It was they had it on sale for $525 basically. And then I got a free shipping coupon with them, so that saved me another $80, I believe, for shipping. I'm gonna get this open, lay this on the side. I'm just gonna pull out these boxes and then set this big box to the side. I think this is the first unboxing video I probably have done in a while. Another box. Alright, we'll go through the boxes individually in just a minute. I know there's some things I know I have to put together. We'll wait on that in just a minute. That must be the chassis, of course. This is the body. All right, let's see. Since this white box is already open, let's see what's in it. Transmitter. This is for RC four-wheel drive. Everything is pretty much analog. with this transmitter, the little knobs, switches, everything. It's plastic, fairly, I wouldn't say the best of quality as far as how it feels, but I mean, it's serviceable. I mean, that's something I can always upgrade later if necessary. Kind of reminds me of the transmitter I bought for my F450. That's this one, this radio link right here. Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, it's fairly serviceable. Power button, I'm assuming, or is that this right here? That must be, yeah, power right there. I'll look at the books and stuff later, see what that's about. All right, so dump this in here, get it out of my way. And the next box, this might be scale parts. Oh yeah, the bar, KC lights, the little bar that goes in the back. There's nothing else in there. And then this is the body. Spitting stuff back out at me. All right, there's nothing left in there. Here is the body. And it is a it's actually plastic. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was metal, but I mean, it's fine. As long as it isn't Lexan. And something else in there, I'll see in a minute. I'm not even ready for that right now. I'll be ready for that in just a minute. And then last but not least, I'll get the chassis out. All right, and here is the chassis and more stuff, batteries, and other stuff we'll see in a minute. I'm not even ready, again, not even ready for that. Books and stuff, decals, which I'm probably not going to use. Back to the trails and like the Back to the Future, and they'll look good next to my DeLorean, even though they will, being that this is an RC, it won't be parked next to the DeLorean because the DeLorean is not an RC. But that's what we have with that. I'm just gonna sit this to the side. I might talk more about this later. This is gonna be all stock. Everything's pretty much, it's pretty good. Tires are kind of stiff. That's good. It's not, being as a hard body, I'm not planning on crawling with it. I'll just be driving off road basically. Just like the Tundra, I wouldn't be. Well, the Tundra has that big old hump where the transmission and the can't think of that part that does that, so the front wheels drive as well. I can't think of the word right now, but it's got such a big hump you couldn't even if I wanted to crawl. I couldn't, unless I lifted it probably more, but after that it probably wouldn't be worth it because the center of gravity would be too high. But everything's pretty well. Steering servo. There's no servo for the transmission because this is a 1-speed transmission. I'm just gonna leave that right there. Let's look at before I even put that out. What's in here? So yeah, transmitter batteries. It's the battery for the device. Oh, that's the charger for the truck battery. In both international, which I would never use these because I'm in the US, but nice to have, you know. In the event if I, need it for some reason. I don't, but in the event if I did need it. Anything additional, because I want to, if I do some closer looks, I want to do it in better light, so I'll probably do that in the morning when I get up. But let's go ahead and get started.